Good morning. Now, please take EVS classwork note. Please take EVS classwork note.
Thank you, ma'am. Oh, good morning, ma'am.
Okay, good morning. No need to wish again. Take out your EVS classwork. I want to see everybody's face. You have to turn on your camera when I ask you, like now in this class, because I want to know whether you all are writing. All must turn on your camera and turn off your microphone. I want to see all the classwork notebook. Yes, Sachin? EVS classwork. EVS classwork. Take an EVS classwork. I want to see. Take a new page. Yes. Take a new page. Everybody, what is that? Such a lot is written, Gushagra. Okay. Take a new page. EVS classwork, not home study. EVS classwork. EVS classwork. Tanvi, don't play. Akshara, show me the previous page of your EVS classwork. I think dictation words 1 to 20. New words. Show me. Akshara. Show me, ma. Show me your notebook. Show me your EVS classwork. Yes. Yes, one. Yes, sorry. Flag is drawn. Very good. Flag. Before that, you have written 20 words. Very good, children. Very good. Now take a new page, everybody. Take a new page. Everyone. Yes, Niral, how are you? I didn't see you in the morning. Okay, Niral. All of you take a new page. Logesh, show me a notebook. Logesh, you lift and show, Logesh. You must know what you have to do. Yes, you must learn. Okay, good, good. Now, Sachin, take a new page. Jeff, did you draw the flag yesterday?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good. I will ask you later. Yes,
do
good.
it, ma'am.
Sri Mukulan, when I call you, you must show, okay? For that only I'm teaching you, I'm calling you. Only when I call you, you must show. See, you're lifting the book and sitting there. Okay, good. Sri Mukula, I'm talking to you. When I call your name only, you must show. See, when I called Jeff, you're showing the book. Don't do that again, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
You have done it. You have done it. Good. Now, I want everybody to take your notebook, get ready, take a new page. I will show you. I'll show you now what you have to do. Now, don't turn off your webcam. You have to switch on your camera. Now, you write today's date in the margin, only 17/8. Write only 17/8 in the margin. Right? Only 17/8. Children, don't worry about English. Go back to English. If it's not given homework, also complete both the comprehension. Neatly you do it. Okay, don't be sitting and playing. You have to be a little bit serious now. You must get ready with your test note tomorrow. It's not that we are going to have test. We'll tell you what you have to do. Okay, children? We will write the questions and keep.
Small text.
Yes? Excuse me? Now, when you speak, you must not stop in between. And when I take class, you are not supposed to speak about other things. I'm just, because I know all are there, I'm just giving you instruction. All must take your test note tomorrow, Tuesday. EVS English test note. That is only one test note we are going to use for EVS and English. Thin test, thin double ruled. And for maths, thin square book. So don't worry about that. Tomorrow, you have to keep the thinnest one among all your notebooks. An 80 page or 100 page, you have one thin book, double rule book. That is for test. Okay. Now, hope all would have written the date. I will see. Don't worry about anything. Just write. First one was new words. Now that is Roman number 2 in the margin, right? First line, Roman number 2. first line. Please don't write anything. I will tell you what you have to write. Don't write all the questions and keep. Roman number 2, capital F-I-L-L. Fill. You can write your own F. In, I-N. Fill in. Slowly touch 2 lines. T-H-E, the. Fill in the blanks. B-L-A-N-K-S. B-L-A-N-K-S. Blanks. Fill in the blanks. B-L-A-N-K-S. That's all. Children, you no need to leave any line. I will tell you because it's double rule lines, no problem. Okay. Now, Shamma, did you write the heading fill in the blanks? Shamma?
Yes.
Yes. Did you write fill in the blanks?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Did you write the date in the margin? Date is
Yes,
very,
ma'am.
very important. Very good. Only write 17-08. Good. Now, after fill in the blanks, you just leave one line after fill in the blank. It's not shown there because it will be neat. Okay. After fill in the blanks, number 1. Children, after each fill in the blanks, you have to leave a line because I saw you all writing in the notebook all together because the lines are very close. Okay. First one, only 4 lines, no need to leave. Now, number 1. After fill in the blanks, leave a line. Number 1, only number 1. Now, we wear clothes too. Till that you write W-E-V. Leave 1 finger distance, fan. Leave 1 finger distance. W-E-V. Where? W-E-A-R. Where? Let me see whether you are writing. Yes. Beware. Read the first sentence. Niral, read the first sentence. Yes. Beware. Turn on your mic.
We wear clothes
To
dash our body.
Did you write the sentence dash? Did you put line with your scale? Now, can you tell me the answer for it?
We wear clothes to cover our
Very
body.
good. My God. I thought you all don't know the answer. Cover, right answer. You'll be getting marks. Those who don't know, don't worry, I will teach you. Now you have to write. See here? We wear clothes to cover, C-O-V-E-R. Our body, full stop. Now, number 2, leave a line. Number 2. Okay, turn off your mic. Camera should be on because principal ma'am will visit all the classes. And ma'am also will ask you to show the book. I will ask you now. Now, number 2, good children, turn off your mic. Now, number 2, somebody's mic is on. Okay. Clothes. C-L-O-T-H-E-S. Clothes. Those who don't know to read from the screen, I'm telling you. Capital C, it has to touch 3 lines. Clothes, C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes. Protect, P-R-O-T-E-C-T, protect. You, us, from two dashes, children. Dash, comma, dash, quite big dash. Protect, Protect. Protect us from, US. From dash, dash, and cold, COLD. Now I will ask. I just want Shashwata, please answer me. Shashwata, read that second question, Shashwata.
Ma'am, please wait. I'm in the first.
Okay, right. No problem. Okay, I'll wait. Shashwata didn't do second. Mishti's first one. Effie, read Effie. Second question, read Effie. Water. Come on, read. Clothes.
Clothes protect us from dash, and cold.
Can you tell me the answer of it?
Clothes protect us from sun, rain, and cold.
See, now instead of sun, you can write heat. Okay, heat. Very good. Rain. See, connected with sun. Heat, rain, and cold. Very good, Effie. Others, please complete. I will wait. Clothes protect us. I'm reading. Children, you cannot play and sit because you are not writing means you will not learn. Kayalina, did you write both the questions? Mishti, turn on your camera. Mishti, I want to see you. Yes, Mishti, did you write?
Yes, ma'am.
Both the questions. See, you have to turn on your camera. I want to see your notebook, Mishti. Show me. Show me your book, Mishti girl.
I wrote on the first.
See, Mishti is not. Yes, Mishti, please write. Parents don't write for her. Let her write. She's a bit slow. Never mind. Let her write. Let her write slowly. Yes, Mishti, who's this first boy? Yes, Sanjay. 1 minute. Sachin, did you write? Sachin, did you write? Second question and answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read second one with the answer. Clothes
Protect us
from
heat, rain, and cold.
Very good. See, children, I'm telling you, when you read, when you write, we are putting marks for internals over here. So be attentive. Very good, Sachin. Okay, Sachin. Now we'll go to the next one. Now write third question slowly. Those who are slow, please write slowly, but you have to write. First answer, second answer, I will give a break after 3 now. We wear. WEAR. We wear dash clothes. Leave little space, okay? Dash clothes. We wear dash clothes. We wear, spelling WEAR, wear. CLOTHES, clothes. We wear dash clothes. We wear dash clothes in summer. You can write the answer, but I will ask somebody now. Yes. Samantha, sweetie, can you tell me the answer for it? What types of clothes do we wear in summer? Turn on your microphone. Samantha,
Yes, ma'am.
read that sentence. Oh, Samantha's come from two. This thing, see there? Your picture is there. Again, you are coming from somewhere else. See here? Okay, Samantha, read that sentence.
We wear dash clothes
In summer. What
in
types of
summer.
clothes? What types of clothes?
Summer.
Summer, what types of clothes? Okay, don't worry, don't worry.
Cotton.
Very good. Ashwant, thank you, Samantha. Ashwant, tell me the spelling of cotton.
Cotton.
Yes?
Ma'am?
Yes?
Cotton.
Very good. Cotton. Thank you, Ashwant. We wear cotton clothes in summer. Please write. We wear cotton clothes we wear cotton clothes in summer. Now I am going to call somebody. Don't write. I am going to call. Wait. Sai Vasavi, can you read all the three? Sugandhi?
Ma'am.
Read first one, Sai Vasavi, first question.
We wear clothes to dash our body.
Don't say dash, with the answer you read. We wear
We
clothes to.
wear clothes to cover our body.
Very good, very good. Now I want Kushagra to read the second one. Kushagra. Second one you read. Yeah.
Clothes protect us from heat, rain, and cold.
Yes, you are reading it, but you must read it. Clothes protect us, okay, from heat, rain, and cold. Now, next one is Kailina. Read the third one. Read the third one, Kailina. See, some children are hiding. That's what we are asking you to turn on your camera. From the office, ma'am is watching. And ma'am is calling me and telling, honey, please tell them to turn on. That's why. Okay. Kailina is in trouble now. I'm going to ask Sri Mukilan. Read the third question, Sri Mukilan. Kailina left the class itself, I think so. Sri Mukilan, read third one. Yes.
We wear cotton
Clothes.
in
Summer.
summer.
Very good. Enough. See, children, you all are reading very well. Okay. Now we'll go to the next one. Please write fourth one. Fourth one. We get cotton from the dash plant. Don't tell the answer. Those who know, you can write. Others, please write. We want to know how we are writing in class. Then only we can conduct test and all that. We get, it's not the test we conduct in class. We will give you the questions. Let us see how you all are writing. Children, don't be lazy. You have to write in class certain things. Now only 5 I am giving. We get, W-E, we. G-E-T, get. G-E-T, get. C-O, C-O-T-T-O-N. Cotton. We get cotton. It's not cotton clothes, only the thing you get. What thing do you get and what do you use to make cotton clothes? We get cotton. We get cotton from F-R-O-M, from the T-H-E, the from the dash plant dash P-L-A-N-T. Look at the screen. And cursive you have to write. Somebody told me that you don't know to write. Never mind, you can learn like this. Hereafter we'll give like this. Okay, let me see. Let me see. Now I think everybody finished writing. Sri Mugilan, don't dance. Akshara, tell me please read that and tell me the answer. Don't worry, Akshara. We get. Turn on your mic. Yes.
We
We
get
get
cotton
from
plants.
which plant?
Cotton plant.
Very good. Why you're showing very sad face? Be happy. You read it so well. You told the answer very good. We get cotton from the cotton plant.
Plant.
Cotton plant. Now I'll call somebody. Wait. She didn't come. Kailina did not turn up. I will inform. Now, I want Kevin to read. Kevin, you read third we finished reading. No. Read fourth sentence with the answer, Kevin.
We get cotton from the cotton plant.
No need from the, not from cotton. Sorry, yes, from the cotton plant. Very good. Now, I want Sanjeevan, tell me the spelling of, tell the spelling of cotton. Tell me the spelling of cotton, Sanjeevan. Yes.
C-O-T-T-O-N, cotton. Ma'am?
Yes, C-O-T-T-O-N. Thank you. Now, 1 minute. Thank you, Ma Prajan. Tell me the spelling of plant. Tell me the spelling of plant.
Yes, ma'am.
Please tell Prajan from that screen.
P-L-A-N-T, plant.
Yes, so you have to keep in your mind all this, okay? Now, we will do the next sentence. Number 5. Dash, right. Dash C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes. Dash clothes. C-L-O-T-H-E-H, clothes. I told you, cloth is the material, clothes, stitched ones. Dresses, okay, clothes. Dash clothes. Keep, K-E-E-P, keep. Let me see. I want to. Ritik, you didn't tell me anything today. Ritik, where is Ritik?
Yes.
Yes. Ritik, can you read the question? Dash.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read the question, Ritik.
Dash, close, keys, pass, warm.
Can you tell me what type of clothes keep you warm?
Woolen clothes keep us warm.
Very good. 1 minute. Yes. See, check the spelling when you write. Wool spelling is W-O-O-L. Add one more L and E-N. Woolen. W-O-O. W-O-O-L-L-E-N. Woolen clothes keep us warm. Now you got enough time to check. You have 5 minutes to check, and I don't want anybody to tell that you did not complete. I want everybody to complete. I'm going to ask you to show your notebook now. Now, Mitra, please come on the line, Mitra. Mitra, good morning, Mitra. Where are you? Yes, turn on your camera. I told you have to turn on your camera nowadays. Okay, Mitra, show me your notebook. Yes, good, Mitra. How are you? Yes. Did you write all the 5 sentences, Mitra? Yes, tell me. Did you write all the 5 sentences? Yes, show me your notebook closer to the screen. Yeah. Did you draw morning, all that other things? Okay, good, Mitra. But the date should be there, okay, date. Mitra. Mishti, show me your notebook, Mishti. No problem if you haven't written, I want to see. Mitra, thank you. Only when I call your names, you must lift your notebook. I want Mishti. Yes, Mishti. Mishti, did you write? Yeah, who wrote this, Mishti? You. Mishti, very good. Now, others don't play and don't show anything now. Let me ask. Joshika Mary. Joshika, show me your notebook. Joshika, show me your notebook. Joshika's not there. Fatima Mariam. Please show me your notebook, Fatima.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, Joshika also can show. Yes, Joshika and Fatima can show.
Joshika.
What happened, Joshika? Closer to the screen. Okay, Joshika. Now I know that all have written. And after that, don't complain. You didn't have time to write. You must write. Kevin, show me your notebook, Kevin. I want neat work. Show me your notebook. 5 sentences. Yeah, I told you leave one line. No, never mind. You start each sentence with capital letter. Check that now, okay? And I told you leave one line and see that you are not listening. Never mind. Tomorrow onwards. Tomorrow we will write the next 5, okay? Tomorrow, no maths tomorrow. Tomorrow we have English and maths, no EVS. So by Wednesday, you have to complete all the drawings and all that. That flag and these 5, learn these 5 sentences, okay? Now I'll call one more child. Akshara, yes. Akshara, finish showing. Adonia. Adonia, I want to see you, Adonia. Yes, Adonia. No? Where is Adonia? Joshika. Kayalina, I want to see Kayalina. Kayalina, I will take you to the office because you haven't answered me today. You didn't answer at all. You didn't come on the screen. Be first. Yes, Kylina, show me your notebook. Be a good girl. How many sentences have you written, Kylina? See, left. Kylina. No. Samantha, sweetie, yes, over. Shashwata, Shamma. Then we. Arush. Have you written all the 5 sentences? Very good. Show me, Arush. Yes. Now, children, 1 minute. 1 minute, I have to tell you something. 1 minute. Don't ask anything now. 1 minute. 1 minute. Yes.